And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into eBay UK. So it's pretty simple to log in into eBay UK. Basically, it's similar to how you guys log in into any, eBay, whether you're in UK or USA, it's the same stuff. But let me tell you guys how you guys can log in if you guys are confused. But before that, for those people who do not know eBay is the largest online place where you guys can sell stuff and buy stuff as well. Just keep that in mind. If you guys want to know more about it, you can visit their official website. Let's get into the video how you guys can log in into eBay UK. Follow the step which I'm about to show you, but just want to go to ebay.com like this. After going to your browser, once you're over here, basically what you want to do is you want to click on where it says sign in over here. Basically, there's going to be a signing button. Once you click on sign in, it's going to take you to the sign in page of eBay. Once you're over here, you want to enter the email address or username, whichever thing you feel comfortable entering. After entering that, you want to click on continue. And after clicking on continue, it's going to take you to the page where you guys can enter your password. And after entering the password of your eBay account, you should be able to log in into your account if the email and password you entered over here is correct. If it is incorrect, you won't be able to log in into your account. So make sure to enter the correct information. And if you created an eBay account linking it with Facebook, Google, or Apple ID, then basically choose the three options from below over here. After clicking on it, it's going to ask you for some information. After providing the information eBay asks you for, you should be able to log in into your account, whether you're in UK or any other place in other country of the world, alright? So it's similar from whichever place you log in. So hope you guys are able to understand the video.